let's go to Nikko.
So we are currently in Nikko. It's been a grind to get here. We missed our train, it was sold out, waited a really long time to get the next one. But it's been a bit of a struggle finding vegan food here, more so than Tokyo, obviously. We're a little further than the main city, 2 hours away. So we decided to check out some shrines. We got some matcha earlier. Yeah, we found a place with our favorite snack, a mochi with red bean paste, but there are a couple other ones. One of them has charcoal and sesame, and then the other one has red bean and a bit of salt. And then we have the regular mugwort and red bean paste. So we got 6 of them. We haven't eaten much. I had a couple onigiri from Family Mart, but Katie hasn't eaten at all yet. So we're about to munch. Oops. All right. Which one to start off with?
Let's start off with here.
The classic. Should we just share it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
One at a time.
Oops. All right, let's give it a whirl.
It's funny too, because now that we've had so much of these, like we know, like we're starting to get to know them a lot better.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's a good one.
Yeah, the sweetness level is always on point here. I just love it.
This one's sweeter.
Still not too sweet though. And the red bean paste, it has more like chunks of red bean in it. Do you see that ant? It's ginormous. Whoa.
Love it.
I've said it so many times, but if you come to Japan, you have to have these. Like, they're so good and they're everywhere.
And they don't advertise that they're vegan.
Never.
But they're vegan.
It's just rice. This one specifically has mugwort, red bean, some sugar.
It's such like it's a happy snack. Very happy snack.
Yes, accurate. We're just gonna make our way through this box. I think we're gonna finish them all.
Light work.
Shout out to Japanese people for making these because I want to make them now at home. They're so good. Matcha number 500. So we heard about this small city from our housemates who went on a spontaneous day trip here to Nikko. And when they came back, they were talking so highly of their experience that Katie and I knew we couldn't leave Tokyo without going. We're really happy that they shared this with us because it actually turned out to be our favorite day so far due to the fact that it wasn't packed with tourists and we had so many moments where it was just him and I and the sound of nature around us. It was genuinely impossible to feel anything but complete surrender to Mother Nature and these guardian statues. Hey you guys, apologies if my hair's a little messy. I cut it yesterday and I think I messed it up pretty bad. But we just finished at Kanmanga Fuchi Abyss. It was magical. We were a little rushed because we need to make sure we can catch the train home. Otherwise, we would have to wait till tomorrow, which would be a wild adventure, but we're not gonna do it. But yeah, we are here again at another Indian restaurant. This one was pretty empty when we checked to see if they had vegan food, which was crazy because usually these... Oh wow, already. So fast. Thank you. So we have salad, we have chana masala, vegetable curry, cumin rice. Looks delicious. Indian food has been super reliable for us here in Japan. And if you are plant-based at all, definitely look for Indian restaurants. They're all over the place and they usually have at least one vegan curry. So I feel like my tolerance to spice has been going up since we've been here. Just been loving the curries, man. But anyways, we're gonna munch out because we're hungry and we gotta go.
Let's get it.
Salad first every time. Let's go. Good Italian dressing. This is a fun fact, but before KT, I didn't really care for salad. Now I just look for it every dinner time. I'm like, where's the salad? It's great for your gut, good for your health to have raw vegetables. First bite, give it a whirl. Definitely could be spicier.
Really?
This isn't spicy.
At all? Yeah, we gotta talk to mine.
Yeah. Bye.